Hey, what's going on, guys? JDuck360 No Scope here, and I just want to say that 2 days ago, I found this. Let me go get it. Got it. I found a shotgun shell. It's a bullet, and it's loaded, so I'm not gonna play around with it, 'cause I don't want to die. See, that's pretty much all I wanted to say. I'm surprised that I found it. I found it when we were going to see wild horses, and they let us go just to look in the sand, and so I found a bullet in the sand. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say for this video. And yeah, wait, I'm waiting for it to be 1 minute 10 seconds. Wait for it.